Yes, you know what I mean. We're on to track number 13. Produced by Richie Spice Music and UTH Music. This one, we have to give thanks from birth. So now Richie Spice is about to discuss with you about the great Mother Earth.
You know what life is worth. Kings and look for years and hurt. Africa, Africa, Mother Earth. Africa. Let's have a good time, come have a good time. I spent some good time in Kenya. Let's have a good time, I had a good time. I spent some good time in the UK. Let's have a good time, I had a good time. Come have a good time in Kizoo.
I love when the bass line make my headphones shake, me I tell you, man. Earthquake or quake.
Let's have a good time, come have a good time. I have a good time in Nairobi. Beautiful sight scenes. Streets are so clean. I watch flocks of birds flying by. Trees are so green. You see what I mean? Let's have a good time. I have some good time. I spend some good time in Kenya. Let's have a good time. Come have a good time. I had a good time in Nanuki. Let's have a good time. Come have a good time. I have a good time in Kisumu. Come have a good time. Let's have a good time. I had a good time in Nairobi. As I pass through the equator, heading on to Nanunki. Heading straight to Mount Zion. Start to sip your lion. Let's have a good time, come have a good time, have a good time in Kenya. Let's have a good time, come have a good time, have a good time in Nanunke. Let's have a good time, have a good time, you need some good time in Kisumu. Let's have a good time, I got some good time, you need to spend some time in Nairobi. In Nairobi, in Nairobi, time in Nairobi, spend some good time in Nairobi, spend some good time in Nairobi. Africa, Kizumbe, Mombasa, Ghana, yes, Gambia, yes, Zimbabwe, yes, Senegal, yes, Senegal, yes, yes, South Africa, South Africa, South Africa, Africa, yes, Africa.
Africa. What a tune. Yo, I like that one there. I like that one. Groovy and easy. Yes, man. Yes, man. I would say this album to me so far it gets a 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. We have yet to do the last track, which is coming up next. But more, that's a 9 out of 10. I am sure that the last track ain't going to be a problem. Right? And if it is, we're going to solve them. But no, I doubt it's going to be a problem. It's going to be a big tune. I'm waiting and anticipating to start the review on that one. But yes, yeah, let's have a good time. Let's have a good time. Let's have a good time in Nairobi. Let's have a good time. Let's have a good time. Let's have a good time in a Senegal. Yes, yes, speaking positively on the motherland. You know, many times over the years, on American TV, they'd like to show you that Africa is nothing but a place that is full of people starving. And I go through a one bag of starvation and famine. and fly upon people face and all them thing there. Nothing like that. Yeah, you have some struggles in Africa, but I'm telling you, some places in Africa look better than some place in America. Miami can't stand up next to some place down in South Africa and down in Africa. Them, I tell you, yeah, make America look like them a player. Yeah, so when Richie Spice and artists like these now come and celebrate the motherland like this, it's just a reminder to let you know that Africa, don't forget Africa. And a lot more people over the past couple of years are going to Africa. Yeah, and they're realizing the truth and kicking the lies with the boot. Okay? So yes, that was Mother Earth. Party over Africa. Party over Nairobi. Yeah? Yeah, man. Let's have a good time. That was track number 13. You know what I mean? So keep the ball rolling to prevent you from scrolling. Like, positively share and comment. And positively comment and share and subscribe for the vibe as we keep good reggae music alive. Okay. Yeah. Next up is track number 14. 14th and last but not least. Fire upon the beast. Yeah.